Bhagavad Gita as it is, Chapter 1, Text 33. त इमेव स्थिता युद्धे प्राणात् त्यक्त्वा धनानि च आचार्याः पितरः पुत्रास्तथैव च पितामहाः मातुलाः श्वश्रूराः पौत्राः शालाः सम्बन्धितनस्तथा एतान् हन्तुमिच्छामि घ्रतोऽपि मधुसूदन. Means, O Madhusudana, when teachers, fathers, sons, grandfathers, maternal uncles, father-in-law, grandsons, brothers-in-law, and other relatives are ready to give up their lives and properties and are standing before me, why should I wish to kill them, even though they might otherwise kill me? Radhe Radhe.